In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers in Figma. Rulers are a simple but powerful way to bring precision to your layouts. They help you place elements consistently, line things up with confidence, and create reusable alignment guides that keep your designs tidy and professional. Start by opening your design in Figma. You can use an existing file or create a new one either way. Make sure your canvas is visible so you can immediately see the effect of turning rulers on. To enable rulers from the interface, head to the main menu by clicking the Figma logo in the top left corner of the app. In that menu, hover over the View option to reveal more choices. Then click Rulers to toggle them on. The rulers will appear along the top and the left edges of your canvas, showing measurements as you move around. If you ever want to hide them, use the same menu path and toggle rulers off again. If you prefer speed, T here is a handy keyboard shortcut. Press Shift+R. This shortcut is a toggle, so pressing it once shows the rulers and pressing it again hides them. It's great for quickly checking alignment without interrupting your flow. Once rulers are visible, you can turn them into guides for precise alignment. To create a guide, click and drag from the top ruler to place a horizontal guide. Or click and drag from the left ruler to place a vertical guide. Release when you've positioned it where you want it. Guides make it easier to align layers and frames, and objects will snap to them as you move things around. You can also create frame-level guides. To do this, drag a guide directly into a specific frame. When you release it inside the frame, it locks to that frame rather than the entire canvas. That means if you move or resize the frame, the guide stays associated with it, which is especially helpful for reusable components or layout templates. If you need to remove a guide, you have two options. Click and drag the guide back toward the ruler it came from, and it will disappear when you release. Or, click to select the guide and press Delete. If the guide is thin and hard to grab, zoom in slightly to make selection easier. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.